Hi friends, I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr with Unity Bay Area, Houston. And we are here in front of an Altar de Muertos, which is an altar celebrating the dead. It's celebrating our ancestors. And there's room for you to come bring your photos and add them. This Sunday, we'll bring those up front and actually do a celebration of our ancestors as we study and understand All Hallows Tide, All Hallow Tide, and All Hallows Day, and All Saints Day, and All Souls Day. Our topic is All Saints all the time. So as we begin to understand the value and the gift of our ancestors and who they are and what they've brought us to in our lives, and we celebrate them, we also celebrate ourselves and all the ways that every single one of us are here to understand that we have that aspect that is bringing a new consciousness. I think you'll find some interesting developments as we share the details of what it means to be All Saints all the time and what the history of All Saints Day and All Souls Day is. So I look forward to celebrating with you. Bring your pictures. Don't forget, bring your pictures. If you don't have photos of your ancestors, bring a list of their names. And if not, we'll place them up there through our consciousness. And together we're going to celebrate and honor all of our ancestors, not only through the Altar de Muertos, this particular beautiful altar, but in the altar of our being. So God bless you, friends. We look forward to having you join us. Our youth ministry and our service start at 10:30 on Sunday at 1911 Highway 3 South. Look forward to seeing you then. In the meantime, have a blessed experience of knowing you are all that the universe has designed you to be right here and right now. And all ideas of anything less than that are simply falling away. God bless you, friends.